I'll teach you everything you need to know about manipulating advanced properties in 5 minutes. Not all properties on Roblox taking the basic values like numbers, strings, and booleans like we've been going through. For example, color, it's not exactly a true or false, it's not a string or a number. It's its own kind of thing. See, this isn't really a number or anything like that, but we can still change it using the script, and I'll show you how to do that. We still have our part variable, so we don't have to write workspace.part every time. We can just write part instead because we assigned part to be equal to that object. So now we can just write part.color to change the color equals, and it takes in a color3 dot, and then you write dot new. And this is how we are able to change the color. And then you put in parentheses, and we're going to write 3 values. The first value is a number for how much red. The second one is going to be for how much green we want in the color. And then the last one is for blue. This color has 24 red, 46 green, and 70 blue. But when we write it in here, it takes in a value 0 to 1, similar to transparency. For transparency, 0 is not transparent at all, and 1 is 100% transparent. If we want it like 50% red, we would do 0.5, and it shows us a little preview of that color as it is right now. And to write the next value, we simply write a comma, and then we write how much green we want. And you can see it bolded up here to let you know that you're writing in the green number. Let's say, let's put a lot of green in there, and just a little bit of blue. And now we have this color. Actually, let's put some more blue in there. There we go. And that is one way to change the color. Even if it's not a basic data type like we showed you before, you can still easily change it. There are ways to change all these properties, unless they're read-only like this one, which are grayed out, which I told you before. But as I went over in our properties video, you can either change the color through the color or the brick color. And you can also just change the brick color instead of the color using a script too. To do this, you write part.BrickColor equals BrickColor.new, and then you write parentheses. And the difference is that instead of writing an RGB value with the 3 little values we just did, you write in a string. So I'm gonna do double quotes, and now you can see a list of all the built-in colors that Roblox has, and you can just pick one of those, or you can just write it out like artichoke. Let's see this part turn into artichoke. Okay, looks like the toothpaste color low-key a little bit. So the main takeaway of this video, even if it's not a basic data type like a number for transparency or a boolean for can collide, is still able to be changed with the script using some of these other methods.